Right. Sort you sort you out as well. Sort you out, and then sort you like this. Right. Cool. Mute you as well, and delete you. Right. Evening, Issa. Yeah, this is my new background. It's what's it called? I'm back home for like the first time in like 6 months. So yeah, let me know if everything sounds alright and that. Yeah, it's weird. Temporary new setup. I've left the flag in Portsmouth. Hi, my little favourite. Evening, Lady H. Evening, Chris. Evening, Gus. Evening, Law. Evening, John. I'm good. How are you, mate? I'm good. Are you in the back rooms, Gus? Feels like it, bro. Evening, Firewatch. Evening, Tony. Evening, Hammer. Evening, Connor. No gap. To be fair though, the news that's came out, we probably aren't really deserving of a gap. Let's be real. Oh, nice dump there. This is no cap. Yeah, it is interesting actually, lol. To be fair, we'll see what happens. Evening, Robski. Evening, Des. Evening, Ashy. Evening, Luna, and evening, Clint. So we'll let this actually marinate, and we'll have a look at. Oh, we can't even pull fibs because there's no low. It's kind of a bit peak actually. It's not great, is it? Because we're so close to a low. It's like, right. That's an impulsive move for daily open strat. Hammer, I don't think it is. Like, I don't like doing it off one candle. I at least want to see a bit of structure. I mean, nevertheless, we could go for this. Like, I'm not really a fan of it, but you know what? It's not an awful shout. If that remains the low, this will be the setup. But what's the blue line? That's VWAP, Issa. Evening, Lan. Evening, Zach. I'm good. How's you? Why can't you play fib card to explain? What does that mean? A fib card? Wait. What's a fib card, Connor? What does it look like on here? I can pull a fib, Connor. It's just like, I don't know how. It's like, why? I don't really like the whole like just going off one candle. Oh, care to explain? Yeah, I just don't like going off one candle. But to be fair, we could. Like, it does look alright, this setup. It's just let's go. Evening, Joe. Evening, RVC. You good? Nah, doesn't look the best. That move back up was very quick. Yeah, I mean, look, if we keep this low, Hammer, if we keep this low and go like this, then I'll be interested. But I want to see this low taken, then a move up, and then move down like that. It's kind of what I'll be looking at. It's what I'll be looking for. But yeah, I'll keep. Is this the same? Oh, this isn't the same. See, this is the issue as well with opening candle. Props are weird. Even J, nice one. If we were to take it, what levels would it be? Joe. Joe, I think we'll get a new low, so probably don't put anything on right now. But yeah, let's zoom out. We made that new low, so yeah, we broke this structure, which was nice. This structure here. So we're just coming down now, which, you know, I saw a thing earlier where last time gold had 3 months consecutive bearish, it went to 6. So that would be something to look at or kind of keep in mind. I mean, we're bearish anyway on high time frame, but yeah. Cool. So got an untapped 786 here, which is nice. Let's 10 VWAP off quick. Put you on like this. Yeah, we are seeing absolutely nothing here, aren't we? It's kind of long, but we can pull fibs, so it's alright. Let's do some pulling quick. Oh, that's interesting. That's very interesting. No more buys, I think. We're going down to 3,500s. Lol. I don't even know anymore where we're going, I'll be honest. I knew we weren't. I hear consolidation a lot. What does this actually mean? English, not a trading master's degree. Connor, basically consolidation is just like when price is a barcode, just moving up and down like that in a range, basically. Consolidation's like big impulse move, and then we just range. That's all. Evening Shaz. Yo, what's good everyone? Evening John. Double 786, yeah, that's what I was looking at. Looks good. Oh, Jordan, my goat. You good? Oh, I didn't mean to click that. A double A8, a double 786. This looks nice. But we'll have to see what happens. I think we'll continue to go down massive. Wiz clearing out his demo accounts. Oh, this guy. I think we'll continue to go down massively before a new all-time high. Oh, lol, definitely. If we were going to go up, we'd at least be pushing and taking highs, but we're just not even taking highs anymore. Let's say so. So let's say now it's 4,311, then jumps to let's say 4,420, stays around the bouncing up and down within 10. Is that a control? Yeah, pretty much. Basically, Connor, what consolidation is, right? Is, let me show you here. So let me turn this off so you actually can see the chart, right? Grab the brush. So we impulse move down here, yeah, and then we just did this. That's consolidation, and then we move down again. So impulse move, consolidation, impulse move. That's all. So consolidation is basically just price moving virtually nowhere. Obviously, it looks like somewhere on the 1 minute, but if you look on the daily, we're moving virtually nowhere, just sitting around the same spot. But opportunity is just coming in that same spot. Down to 4,000, then full port to 6,000, make it happen. Actually, I'd be so down. I'm so down. Don't full port, obviously, though. Not financial advice. Wiz was on demo. Hammer. I'm not going to say anything, but I think so. FXify spreads on open is a sight to behold. Say Delam, what is it like? I haven't traded on open with FXify for a very long time. There's that low taken I said about. Right. Four, 3, 2, 7. Cool. Like this. Target the low. That'd be nice. $4327 or 4326.89. Pending. Let's delete this off my chart because it actually doesn't make sense. 4326.89. 4331. Cool. Yeah, that's our setup. So let me write this on. That's what I'm looking at. All right, thanks. No worries, Connor. Full put all your savings. Okay, lol, Jesus. Huge, yeah, real. Got some loans too. Okay. Evening, Lazy Queen. You okay? And you fib. How do you do that? Is it from low to high for a bullish move and up to down for a bearish move? So yeah, if you're looking for a sell zone, Connor, it's from a high and then forward in price to a low that's forward in price. So pull a fib from like, why am I showing you my hand when I do on here? So basically, when you pull a fib for a sell, you want to pull it from a like high back in price to then a low forward in price. So you always want to pull a fib this way on the chart, always to the right. So yeah, if we were looking for a buy here, we'd pull it from this low here to this high. But looking for a sell, we obviously pulled it from this high to this low, forward in price. So always pull a fib forward in price and then pull it backwards. Because with a fib, you're basically preempting the move on a Fibonacci retracement. So that's why we've pulled it from this high to this low. Jay, did it take a new low? Yeah, it did, Issa, this low here. Look, we took this volume off this open. Is the SL at 1.1? Yeah, Jordan. Did Max mark up any zones? Missed his live, was more interested in the sell zone. To be fair. Look, I have no idea if Max has marked up any zones, to be honest. We're tapped in, by the way. Let's see what happens. Tapped in because of spreads, tapped in, nice. We'll see what happens. We're fighting around here, so we'll have to see. But it doesn't look like it's going great. Could see us get tagged out here and then drop, but we'll have to see what happens. So volatile, yeah, I know. We'll have to see. Like, it's fighting, which is nice, but I do think we'll push. Oh, here we go. This is where we go now, hopefully. But yeah, like look at these candles, madness. We could just see us get tapped out here, to be fair. Like on a Monday, it's always it's always risky to trade because you don't know the like movement of the day. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We could see us get tapped out and then it drop. Is what it is. Like, oh my god, wow, what a candle. Jesus. So volatile. Tapped in on new funded, so who knows? BTC shot up. Wow, did it? Jeez. With the Diddy. Okay, that's crazy, bro. Wow, look at that Bitcoin. Let me go across to Bitcoin. I need to see this. Jesus. Whoever was in buys down here is living. Holy. That's a rocket of a buy. Jesus. I have to see. That is mental. Moving like that is crazy. Hopefully we can run 1 hour before we, well, if we come back up, God knows what we're gonna do. I mean, Bitcoin. That is disgusting. That is mental. Where was that from here? Oh my God, that is mental. Crazy work, man. That is mental. I got in at 60, lol. This guy bought in at 60. Yeah, I'd be buzzing, bro, if I bought in at 16. Jesus. Wales back in the market seems like, yeah, well, they've seen opportunity, didn't they? So they just took it. I mean, this is crazy though. Like crazy. Absolute madness. Right. Let's forget about this actually. And just hope. Right. Delete that. Delete that. Someone tell me if it runs 1 hour. But yeah, right now I don't really care that much, to be honest. It is pushing down there, but I don't. If we can't really pull anything except from these buys because we've got nothing really in the market, which is kind of painful. So yeah, we're kind of just gonna have to, like, I've got this 886 zone, no, this 786.1, but even that is just like, in my opinion, I just wait for stuff. That's all. I just wait for certain things to happen because we are very indecisive right now. I've got this zone, so yeah, this zone looks good. Was there even anything in it? Nah, look, there's literally, it's like a no man's land in there. Probably manipulation on market open, yeah. After following down from 6-7k, good weekend, follows liquidation a lot of Bitcoin. Yeah, you're not wrong, it does, to be fair. How did you, or do you, remove emotion from trading when I was doing it? It felt like a gamble, but also was stressing when it was close to SL. How did you change that in your mind? Also, did you use your own capital? Yeah. So a lot of with trading is like it's a lot of people think of it as like making money, which it is, but most of it's probability. Like when you make a strategy and stuff, you calculate all on probability, etc. All this stuff, right? So like me losing this trade, say if we do on daily open, right? We've still won four trades to get to here, if that makes sense. So if we've won 4 trades already, we have room for the, let's just say, the like strategy or the edge in the market to work out. So that's why it's not like I remove emotion. You always feel stuff when you trade. Like no one's kind of, what's the word? No one's immune to like being sensitive to trading. It's just when you've done it a long time, and like backtesting is a key thing because you get your confidence from backtesting trades. Because if you backtest and you see your win rate, you see how your edge is defined, then yeah, you just kind of know, or not know, but you know what I mean. You have that confidence and that kind of ego in the market where you kind of just accept kind of if you're going to lose, that's fine because losing is giving you the edge to win. So that's why. How do you backtest, Connor? So when you have Trading Review Premium, I don't have it anymore, but you click on this button and you just click bar replay, and if you got Premium, you can go back like ages. So I did like 10 years of Max's strategy and learn it and like made my own one. Well, made like my own version, let's say. So you just click bar replay and you can drag your cursor all the way back and then just like back test over years and stuff. It's really cool. But I would advise to do that if your confidence is low, or you've got, not confidence is low, but if like you're new to trading, doing that to then see your strategy work out in real time is good for like, and then documenting and journaling. Are you in a short? Yeah, I am, obviously, unless I got tapped out. No. Yeah, I'm in this short, obviously, but we're kind of manipulating to go back up, to be honest, so it doesn't look great. I reckon we're just doing this now. But yeah, is what it is. We'll just have to see what happens. But yeah, my daily open strat said to short, so that's what I'm doing. Oh, geez, we are really manipulating here, aren't we? God damn. Like, this is just, I don't even know what we're doing here. We're just jumping around. Hopefully we see a push below these and then down here for the 1R, and then that'll be happy days, really. Futures gold chart looks very different. Jordan, what does it look like? 0.886 not tap check. What, on futures gold? Really? Ooh, that's weird. How do you? Oh, yeah, I've already answered that. Yeah, I'm in a short. Is this what you call consolidation? Exactly. So we've had an impulse move up, right, Connor? So real time. This is teaching real time. We've just gone, just like a load of jumping around. So yeah, that's basically what consolidation is. Impulse move, just all of this, just stacking of candles for no reason. Mincing about, yeah, Connor. What I call it is mincing about. So the chart's just mincing because, like, you can see we're just sat in this price action now, pretty much, Connor. So, well, I could just do it by like body actually. So hang on. So we're in this kind of mincing section, right? And when we break, we can either, once we break below this or above this, that's when we'll see no mincing probably. But right now we're just mincing in this section. Let me draw like a horizontal line for this. So we're like mincing in this area, let's say, just sat in here. So it's just consolidating in that range area. Not recommending this because I never checked if it was accurate, but AI used Claude to create an indicator for me and backtest reactions off the daily 0.786 fib for the past 5 years. Oh. Yeah, I've never used AI for anything like backtesting wise, Lazy Queen, so I not AI, okay. But yeah, like I just wouldn't, in my opinion, I wouldn't use AI, but look, it might work. So I'm not gonna sit there and say it might, like, it's bad if I've never done it. So if you've never done anything, you can't really comment on it. Open MGC1. Let me look for you, Jordan. Well, it's not that different, is it really? I mean, just a bigger wick to the upside, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, just a bigger wick to the upside, that's all. Oh, I don't think we're mincing anymore. That's 1R, by the way. Is that 1R? I don't know if that's 1R or not. Let me. That is. Wait, what's that? Hang on. Oh, hang on, it's not on my entry. Well, it's 1R for me. I'm not gonna lie, I'm counting that. I'm counting that all day. I'm just gonna hold this though. I do think we'll come down. But yeah, that's one. That's like 1.02R apparently. So yeah, go break even. Actually, I will go break even to just promise to just follow my rules. I don't know why I didn't want to go break even for some reason, but yeah, that's break even. Alright, okay. I also prefer your lives than Max's because he goes live earlier than you. I realised you go live around this time most of the time, so I would have finished work. Yeah, Connor, I think this, in my opinion, this isn't fact or anything, but I think going live at this time is perfect for people because no one's at work, everyone's in bed, and you're either going to watch Netflix or learn something on a chart. So you're going to pick to do the chart, aren't you? Well, that's 1R, definitely set break even. 1.27. Boom. If you're in this, I'd definitely set BE and take partials. Oh my god, we're all running now. God damn. That's 2R. Oh, I love my strat so much. So good. That's 2.25R team. So take partials, set break even. That's what I'm going to tell you to do. All right, okay. Oh wait, no, I've already read that. It came back like 86% positive reaction. Yeah, Lady Queen, most likely. Moving, yeah, it's moving now. 2.2. Where did it actually get to? 2.28R. Boom. We might be going down further, to be fair. How is futures different to normal forex? Futures is like so much better spreads law on like I'm not sure on forex, but on gold, like when I trade futures, it's just so much better. Like it's like actual price. You get in an actual price, whereas like on CFDs sometimes you get slipped in and stuff. It's a bit shit, but yeah, futures are a lot more like sniper kind of accurate. Pretty sure it's 1.1R. Yeah, I mean, look, we could be going down for more now, so let's hope that. So Jay, when you get to 1R on your daily open strat, do you usually leave the trade? So Lazy Queen, I've entered this on just some random funded because that's just what I do. Like, I normally I normally take my daily open strat on this funded because I'm still testing the daily open strat, so I don't want to take it on something important yet. I just want to kind of see how it goes, see what happens. But yeah, that's why I only take it on this account. But when I get more experience with it, I mean, look, it's going really well. So after this month of testing, and I see if it's good or not, then I will I'll implement it onto actual like actual systems and actual like things that make sense and actual stuff to make good money. Let's go. Connor's buzzing, my guy. On futures, use 0.786 instead of 86. You heard Frank. Tell him, boy. I'm watching Running Man with one eye and Jay's live with the other eye. Okay. I don't blame you, to be fair. Lazy Queen, just got the chart on one eye, and then you got like sat there tapping your trade on with your other eye, and then yeah, class, boom, yeah, Lee, we're cooking, man. Thank you so much, Jay. Dio hits again. I'm out at 2R. Fazzy, so I would hold this, bro. It doesn't look like we're fighting a lot to get back up, but I think we're going down, bro. I think we're taking this low. That's why I want this low. I definitely want this low. If you're still in, I'd stay in until this low. Definitely. But the only reason I got took out is because of consistency. Asia has a bad poker face. Yeah, real. How do you take partials? Connor, it depends what like firm or what broker you're with. But most of the time you can just click on your trade and just like click partially close, and what you can do is like however much you enter on, So say you enter on one lot, you can partially close 0.5 lots, so then that closes half the position. So that's basically how you do it. But then on MetaTrader 5, you can just click on close, and then you can put in how much lots you close, and then just close it from there. Good trade, Jay. Well played. Cheers, Joe. My goat. But is it the same? Is it the same structural? Yeah, pretty much. Like Jordan said, better. It's just better spreads on everything, really. Do we TP or partials? John, I'd take partials because we're running really nice. I'd take partials right now. We're running 2.6R. I'd take partials, but I definitely think we'll take this low. If we don't, it is what it is, but I definitely think we will. Is the bro XPR? How are you? How are you, brother? Still looking good, Jay. Money flow moving into the red, and momentum going below the zero. Only on 1 minute time frame though. Is that a good sign? Yeah, it is actually. What you want to see is you want to see us go from green to red, everything flow into the downside, because that means instead of price trying to push up, price is pushing us down as well. What you could see here is us do a little pullback. So yeah, we could see price do a little pullback now and then come down, but I mean, everyone should be at break even and taking partials by now anyway. Got both those on this. Nice, Big Rick. That's my go. Not like Lazy Queen, just half doing it proper. My go. Come on. All right then, Jay. Happy with that. I mean, I wasn't in it. Just happy for you. Oh, thanks, Connor. I'm in drawdown right now. Need to play 1 to 2R playing safe. Yeah, Issa, look, if you just target 1 to 2R, that's like what? How much drawdown you in? So you're in like, I don't know, 6R of drawdown. That's 3 trades targeting 1 to 2. You're out of drawdown. I break even. Thanks for the live, Jay. Gotta run. Fire trade. Take care. Take care, Hammer. Take care, brother. Hey, I never have to do anything. All right, Lazy Queen. All right, you got me. Literally down 6R. How you know? Oh, Issa, bro. I just know, bro. I know everything, man. You don't need to ask. Just know. Bro, wait, that's so weird. I caught that, you know. That's so weird, bro. That's freaked me out a little bit. But yeah, that's kind of freaked me out a little bit. But I just know you. I just know you, bro. Come on. You know what? One sec. Let me put this. Let me put this on my chart quick. 4326.5. Oh, this is futures. I was so confused then. I was like, what? Ugh, now I've got to go all the way over here now. Put this in on my chart. Get this on my face quickly. 4326.5. Where was my stop? 4331, I think. Yeah, like this. So around 2.29 or something. That's decent. What does it say on here? 2.6. We'll call it 2.3 because on TradingView it says that. That was such a nice trade, holy. But now you know what we could see actually. 1 second. This looks actually quite nice for one of these. Little range here. Well, actually we could pull it further back. Yeah, so what I'll do actually, pull this like this. Like a little, something like that, actually. I trade the opposite way as well. The thing is that with Asia, the spreads are just not it for doing how I normally trade. So it's probably not best to do this, but this would be pretty cool. Is the squeaky lines for real? Come on, bro. Jay knows everything about trading. Real. Bro, I've spent too much time on the charts to not know. Issa, I know your drawdown. I know all your passwords and your prop links. I just know it all. Where's the flag, Jay? Oh wait, you're at your parents. Yeah, Lady Queen, I'm at my parents. But yeah, the flag's still in. The flag's back at my girlfriend's house. So if anyone wants to steal the flag, which is unguarded, it's in Portsmouth. So have fun. Flag was sold. I've got it. Okay. So gold futures is the actual life price. Lol, pretty much. The best way I can describe it is spreads are just way better than CFDs. Like futures, some people say that futures is better than CFDs, and people argue CFDs is better. But from what I've seen, the spreads on futures are a lot better than CFDs. So that's why, yeah. It can be sold because it belongs to me. Okay, why are we all scrapping over this flag? Someone just go get the flag. Isha's laughing. F. Okay. Lazy Queen. Jay, at this point, just run my accounts. I mean, look, Isa, if you want. I'm in Portsmouth next week, so it's mine. Masked up, bro. You don't have to get masked up. Just go to the door and ask for it. I'm sure my missus will just be like, take it. I don't want it. Well, that's break even now, so we'll call it 2.3R. Let's document this. So a little 2.3R trade. Nothing wrong with that. Live stream. What is it today? The 7th. 7th of June. So plus. What are we calling this again? 2.31R. Beautiful. Sort this out. Right, happy days. What does she do as a business? I'll book in and suggest a lovely brew at her home after. So Lady Scream, my missus she has her own business doing aesthetics. So she does like lip filler, microneedling, dermaplaning, loads of other stuff like skinny bottle, loads of other filler, like mental stuff. To be fair, some of the stuff I don't even know what they do. Do you know what I mean? I don't even know what she does. She just cooks, man. But yeah, it's just a load of filler and stuff. Yeah, she does Botox as well, Lazy Queen. That's for all. Thanks for all the info, Jay. Have a good one, mate. I gotta run out. Take care. Take care, Law. Sign your DMs right with all account details and passwords. This guy. Some strange bloke showing up at your missus' house asking for your flag. Yeah, would be a bit weird, Lon. I think my missus would just like FaceTime me and just be like, "Do you know this person?" And you'd just say, "Oh, it's me off the live." So I'm like, "Yeah, give it to him." He needs it more than me. Oh, Brandon's in here. Hello, cutie. My little hubby bub. Cutie, man. Ah, man, set up the trade on you funded. Went to check on my door and wiped out by spreads. Oh, Tony, no. That's so bad. Bro, the spreads on you funded's mad, isn't it? Crazy. Love the flag. It makes you look so serious. It reminds me of an old... Just you killing the market. Okay. Big Ray, I didn't know where that was going, so I didn't read out some of that. Just leave it, lads. The lady will get the flag. Let's not make it weird for Poppy. I'll cut into the corners and we can share. Meet up at Glastonbury, put the bits together. Bro's made a whole plan to nick this flag, bro. Crazy. That's mad. But sounds like a plan that. Yeah, Lon's happy. Okay, so I'll book in for Botox and leave with the flag. Yeah, Lazy Queen. What was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? Let me know if you actually want Botox, because I'll actually send you her Instagram for our business. Would you re-enter? No, obviously I'm happy with this. Like, I'm not gonna re-enter anything. I mean, hard take. That's actually reacted off the 886 of that push up, hasn't it? Called it. The 86 is goated, man. Look at that reaction. Elbow. Um, would you oh yeah, already. Oh, stop it, naughty boy. Full port buy, I reckon. Okay, Brandon. No. Chill out, man. Love Brandon, he's my favourite. Ladies Queen, get off my live. I'm not your favourite? Yeah, crazy. I bet you took this trade as well, and you still calling him your favourite. Yeah, bro. Starting you with a nice Sunday evening into the charts with a win, and bro's not calling me a favourite. Yeah, nah, get out of the live. Sis, not bro. Love you too, Lazy Queen. Love all my family. Love all my family as group. Wait, why is that kind of wholesome? My go, Brandon. Which indicator are you using on the left side? Oh, that's not. Wait, this? So about this maze. I want Botox. It's needed. Luna, if you live near Portsmouth, my missus can do your Botox for you if you want. Just let me know. Might set up like ColezTrades times Botox. Would you have expected more of a reaction off 886? Which one, Joe? This one or the one we had for Daily Open Strat? Jay the goat for real. Issa, you're the goat, man. Come on. This is running nice actually. This 886, that's probably running 1R if you did it off the high. Would you expect more of a reaction? Depends. This reaction I wanted. This reaction, yeah, I'd want like this candle's nice though, so we could probably still run a bit more. The volume range on the side. How do you get this? I've tried on Trading View, cannot manage to get it. Right. So you go on the sidebar, Nadia. Click on this one, right, where long position is or short position is, and then go all the way down here. It's called Fixed Range Volume Profile. Click on that. Drag it across a bit of price action like this, right, and you'll get this. However, it probably won't look like this, so copy my settings. Let me know when you've copied all that, and then I'll show you. So Nadia, let me know when you've gone through that, and then I can scroll down as well, because then it will show you everything. Sword fight between me and Jay, 30th of July, 4 p.m. in London. Brandon, why are we doing it in London when we can just do it at your house, bro? This guy. Yep. There you go, Nadia. We're in London. Careful, Brand, the locals will get involved. The more the merrier. Okay, this guy. I just meant in terms of you judging how it bounced off the zone, whether you thought it was going to be strong enough to do a decent drop here. Yeah, Joe, I mean, I've tested the daily open strap for ages. Nadia's so perfect. Happy with that. No worries, Nadia. It's all good. It should look like this now. If it doesn't, I'll send you my settings and stuff and go through them with you. But I just meant, oh yeah, what was I going to say? Yeah, Joe, normally with the daily open strat, it reacts quite nice off the 886 or like just above. That's why I put my stop at the 1.1 fib. I didn't take the trade, but I did all last week. Not your fault, but all my I did all last week, not your fault, but all my little past prop firm accounts are in drawdown, so I'm being mega sensible this week. Jay, you're my number 2. Nah, Lazy Queen, get out. I ain't no one's number 2. Out the stream. On top of the shard is crazy, Brandon. What? Number 2 L. See, Lan even knows this, bro. Come on, man. What do you think the bias for today would be? Bullish or bearish? Mate, I'll be so real, yeah. Apart from daily open strat, I probably won't trade this tonight. It's more of a Rainbow Six Siege night, to be honest, because I think Asia will show us where it wants to go, and then once I see that, then I'll know the bias. But look, we're bearish. It just depends if we're going to pull back or not. That's all. So I'll just wait for Asia to reveal what it's cooking, and then I think with New York we'll continue bearish. Jay, how much have you tested the daily open strat? Like how long? Brandon, I've done about 2 years testing and forward tested this week, last week, and the week before. So 3 weeks of forward testing. Well, probably longer actually. But live stream forward testing in the daily open strat, I've done 3 weeks, I think. Maybe 4. But forward testing without live stream, it's been about 8 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 to 6 weeks. What's the results of it? Brandon, it's normally about, I think on last year, it was something stupid like 75% win rate, which is fucking ridiculous to be honest. And I didn't actually believe that. So that's why I tested it over the second year. The second year was not as good. It was like 53%. But even with that, it's still right, isn't it? That's nuts. Yeah, it is mental. It's because Brandon, like I was trying to read back, like even like Brandon, let me read out my percentage for this month, right? So hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and lost 1. Yeah, this month, Brandon, the start of this month, we've won 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've won 5 daily opens and lost 1. That's my stats for today. So yeah, like I don't know what percent that is. What, like 80% win rate, 5 wins and 1 loss, or probably like 82% win rate. I don't know. I can't work out percent. I don't really care. But yeah, 5 wins and 1 loss out of 6 trades is mental in my opinion, especially forward testing in this market as well. Crazy. Um, I think I'm, I think I'm quite far away, but I can drive. I live in Nine. Luna, drive down. It's fine. Oh come on, I can't have 2 number ones, can I? Yeah, you can, Ladies Queen. Yeah, you can. 83% win rate. There you go. So this month, Brandon, my daily open strat's at 83% win rate. Crazy. That's mad actually. Luna, we can carpool to Poppy. Last week was 4 out of 5 in daily open, right? Yeah, it was Sadalam. 4 out of 5 wins. 4 wins out of 5. That's nuts. Even for exactly, Brandon. I mean, for such a easy thing, it's class. And when you take into consideration they can run. Yeah, this is the thing, Brandon. Like so simple. It can start your day off really well because all you have to do is stay up to about 11, 12ish. Sometimes to be fair though, Brandon, the average time you have to wait for the daily open strat is like an hour to 2 hours. Because sometimes it will like keep creating new lows and you'll just have to keep moving it. But recently it's been really good. It's been like within the first hour, so it's been rapid. But yeah, can you run through the daily open strat and how it went today, please, Matt G? So Matt, basically, let me delete this off my screen. So as you can see, Matt, we opened on this candle here, right? This candle here. So I put it from this high to this low down here that we made, and then I target the 886 here with my stop at the 1.1 fib just to account for spreads. And then yeah, we got tapped in like this. Wait, it's 2.83. Wait, I'm counting that. Why has it changed again? I don't know. Whatever. I'll count 2.83 out then because I don't know what entry I had the other time, but yeah. I don't know why my R keeps changing, but yeah. So we tapped in here, minced around a bit, and then dumped down to 2.83R. So that's pretty much how it was. Saw this high, The impulse move was bearish, so we pulled the fib, tightened the 886 for the stop at the 1.1 fib, and then yeah, came down 2.83 out, sorted. Issa woman said, "We not all blokes near, you know." Sorry, Lazy Queen. To be fair, you should be sorry, Issa. That's poor from you, bro. Okay, Brandon and Jay are my number ones. Yes. Would Daily Open Strat work on either sessions like London or New York? Actually, I have someone testing it. He tested New York and it didn't work. Tested London, didn't work for a few weeks. No, for a few days. But I mainly test it during Asia. That's just like my main thing. I don't test it for anything else. Can't be called in J number 2 though. Yeah, that's true. So Issa, you know. Can't Issa, it's okay. Yeah. It's not okay they're calling me number 2 though, Lazy Queen. Can I see your fib settings, please? There you go, Nadia. Let me know when you've seen them all and you got it written down. Minute chart, wasn't it, Jay? Yeah, it was. Always on the minute chart. Thanks. Is that fib pulled from the recent high from Friday? Yeah. No, it's not. It's pulled off the daily open candle. Matt. Done, thank you. Happy with that. So yeah, it's pulled off the impulse candle to the upside and then we impulse moved down. Took this low and then I pulled it from this high for a sell down to this low forward in price. Oh, Alex is here. Alex, we got another win on the daily open strat. Bro, my art this month's gonna be mad. I'm not even gonna lie. It's gonna be crazy. I think I'm already up like I don't even know, bro. It's 20, it's high 20s, like 28 or something. Oh, Lazy Queen's angry. Hang on. Calm down, Issa. It's okay. It wasn't intentional. I just didn't know I was allowed 2 number ones. Now I do. It's all good. Got my number 2. Got 2 number ones right here. Lazy Queen. It's right. Okay, nice, Lazy Queen. That's more like it. Okay. Okay. Do you do the daily open strat on the 1 minute time frame? Yeah, I do, Nadia. I don't do it on any other time frame because we want to look at all like the fast movements in price. Because sometimes, I mean, look, this happened in 1, 2. How many minutes did this happen? 15 minutes, but it tapped in 13. So I'll just sit on the 1 minute and just what's it called? Go from there. Is there any specific time aside from daily open that you live stream? Maze, I'm looking at live streaming New York session soon, but it's weird because I do like VIP support and stuff, and it's gonna be weird kind of fitting that in around that because I feel like New York is when I do most of my mentoring with VIP, so I'm gonna have to try and figure that out. But I do want to do more live streams because they're really good. The live streams are really good value, so yeah, I'm definitely interested in doing more live streams. I'll just have to work it out. Luna, I'm in Nottingham too. We can carpool. Oh yes, Frank's locked. Let's go. Unfortunately missed it, so didn't full pull. Alex, damn man, what are you doing, Alex? Oh, I'm not angry. I'm good. At least you're good, Lazy Queen. At least you're good. Yes, please, Jay. New York would be mega. Yeah, to be fair, it would be good, Lazy Queen. It would be good. Funny you mentioned that. I just put a poll in general chat for a duo live stream. Brandon, we're about to cook. We're about to cook, bruh. Last time we did a duo live stream, didn't we have a trade that ran like 18R? I can't remember, but it was that 886 trade, wasn't it? That you didn't want to get in, and then I pushed you to get in it, and it ran really well. I don't know how far it ran. I think it ran like 7R or something. I'm not sure. It's obviously not 19R. But thumbs up for New York with me and you, or thumbs down for Asia with me and you. Oh, that's a good one actually. That's a good thing to put in the chat. But to be fair, Brandon, chuck in the general chat. Put a poll. Last time we had a live stream, we got max members on Zoom in 1 minute. Yeah, bro. the pull on a live stream is crazy. But I have a call on Monday with you. First time, can't wait. Oh, I can't wait, Robski. Let's go. Just bring Robski. My advice for a call would just be bring whatever you want to learn, and just splatter stuff at me, and I'll just teach you. That's the best way to do it. Like, can Jay do a poll? I have no idea how to do a poll on this. Hang on. I actually can't. That's kind of peak. Splatter, pardon. Okay, Lan. Just because you want to see a splatter, my boy. What's that VIP thing that you are talking about? Do you have a Telegram channel or something like that? So, Maze, in the group ColezTrades, me and Brandon do like this VIP mentorship stuff. So, yeah, all it is like you kind of just sign up for this thing, and then what's it called? You just get VIP unlimited calls with me and Brandon. So unlimited calls, mentorship, stuff like this. So Brandon's doing his mentorship this month, and then I'm making a mentorship too. But because I've got like 3 systems, my mentorship takes about 5 years to make. Because I've got to do my strat that I've got with Max is my strat that I do on the 1 minute, and then my daily open strat as well. So I've got like 3 things, and then also I can use Craig's indicator, but because he's updated it now, I don't really use it anymore. So it was going to be like four systems, but now it's 3, which is fine. But yeah, it's basically that. It's just basic trying to get through all of that stuff. Let me log on to the educator channel and see if I can do a poll. Yeah, Brandon, get on that, my boy. Because if you can do a poll, if not, Brandon, we'll just put a poll in the Discord. It'll probably be better for people that aren't like up right now. Because if people aren't up right now, then most people are probably sleeping, getting ready for work. Unlike us, we're all unemployed. So yeah, Lazy Queen's buzzing for Brandon. That's my goat. But to be fair, if you didn't say break even, this is still really nice. I want to learn Vario high, Vario low, order blocks, then anything used to find zones. Oh, fat sound, Robsky, we'll get that. What do you want to say? What do you want to say on the poll? Brandon, just put. Wait, what do you mean? What do I want to say? You were saying that you wanted to do a poll. I can't remember what the poll was. It was about something about us doing a duo live stream on something. I knew it was like duo live stream on New York or something. But yeah, that's what I was thinking. I've already done a poll. What, in Discord? I said it in general chat. Oh, let me look. I'll look now. Oh, okay. Asia duo live with me and Jay. New York duo live with me and Jay. Asia duo. New York. Oh, New York's winning right now. Wait, I got tight. Cool. Happy with that. Oh my god. Oh wait, he's actually put the poll on. That's so cool. Buzzing for both of you. I have 2 faves now. I'm allowed. Yes. There you go. Yeah. General chat. Brandon, we'll wake up for general chat and just see like mad votes. Just did the duo live, lads. You both know everyone wants it. Big Rick knows. We're just teasing to be fair. We will do a duo live easy. Be calm. But let me look. Hopefully that's not hopefully, but if we keep this bottom, let's see if we can make up a sell zone for here. Because I don't want to leave you guys with like nothing for a sell side when we're so silly. But Get this on my face quick. Right, let's see what zone lines up nice. Oh, bro, this is beautiful. Right. Oh, this up here looks good as well. We're having a double whammy up here, like this. GP plus 0.886 plus VWAP close. Oh, what? VWAP close plus previous daily. Oh, bro, this zone looks so much nicer though. Damn. This zone's so small though. Oh wait, I've just messed up that fib. Wait, let me. Oh no. Let me turn this off so I can get the fibs laid properly. So this down here like this. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna layer these down here so we get it like bang on this low, and then we can just drag them up. I wonder how many views that could actually get. Just fishing for likes, man. What is your level, pal? Oh, Big Des, I'm sorting this out. Oh, Poppy's in the house. Hello, Poppy. Just a thought, the war news isn't going to develop and we're going to get a deal and start rocketing towards 5k. You know what, NMA? It's what it is, isn't it? We might get that. You two make such a good team. I think you should do both sessions. We probably could, to be fair. Me and Brandon Cook, man. I want you to do both. I want you to both do Asia Live, New York, but I also want you to both sleep and stay alive. Oi, Pops, I've got you some business with Lazy Queen, by the way, and with Luna. Get cooking on the aesthetics front, me love. Both would actually be similar. Yeah, but bro, I'm down, bro. I'm down, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm down. But let it all work out. Where's the fib that lined up with this then? Because that was naughty. That. Oh, here it is. Wait, is it here? Yeah, here it is. So, oh, bro, that zone is so tight though. God damn. Oh, here it is. Right. So what we could do actually is like add it like this. So it's 0.886 plus 0.786 plus previous daily open plus previous daily plus VWAP close. Oh. Okay. Okay, well, it's because this is listening to me, isn't it? Yep. Cool. Let me turn this off. We'll get coordinates on screen now. Right, if we keep this low, these are the two zones I'm looking at. We'll work it out. Yeah, we will. We'll work it out. What did the votes say? Oh, bro, New York Live smashed the votes. Holy. Jay, are you coming home now? Okay, Poppy. Okay. Duo live with you and Brandon smashing out some trades during the live. What more confidence do we need? Ted certified trades for sure. Yeah, for real. We got that actually. But yeah, guys, that's the sell zones we're looking at, and then we also got this buy zone down here. But yeah, guys, that's me done. I think I'll let you all get some sleep. So yeah, let's hope we get a nice profitable day tomorrow. I mean, we're already up 2.83 hours, so if there's another trade that I can see, I'll signal it and we'll get in it together and write that down. But yeah, man, I'll see you all in a bit. Right, seen a bit Shaz, seen a bit Luna, in a bit Issa. Night, everyone. Seen a bit Lazy Queen, seen a bit Tony, seen a bit Des, seen a bit Rick, and seen a bit Nadia, seen a bit Chris.